Hi, here is a challenge that my student face. The report must summarize the number of attendants on each month for each shift at each working location, and each shift is separated into two tabs. This is shift A and it is shift B. Each shift contains the exact number of area, but the number of workers can be different at each shift. And once it's determined, the number of workers in that shift right will not change until the year end. So the current method to identify the area A, the number of A, it will be this equal. Look at this shift A, and then go add, and then plus. Look at this column. This is the 8 add plus add plus add. And once finished the column A, it now goes to the shift B to locate, this is on the 8 plus and enter. So we get 9. And this will repeat for every area, for every shift. So that's easily took him 20 minutes a day. So after I design a tools for him, right? A solution, right? He's able to solve that from 80 hours a year to 4. So you can see that it is a reductions of 95% of the time from 80 hours to 4 hours. So what is the solution? Can you figure it out? And feel free to share. Thanks for watching.